Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is your boy IC3 Tech coming to you guys with another video. You already know what this is. This is Google Stadia, your Founder Edition. I'm actually got over here the Samsung Samsung Fold, but I have the Google Stadia games that you could play so far on here. You got a nice list of games, so you can get Tomb Raider for $10. Final Fantasy, Metro, Assassin's Creed, Mortal Kombat, 2K. I want to try this game out though. I want to see what it look like playing on the game. Like, I just want to see like what it look like balling on there. That's one of the things I want to see. So that's one of the games I'm probably gonna be playing. But we're gonna get right into this. This is the Founder Edition. So what all you get here? You get the Founder Edition. Nothing on the box here. You just get the Stadia here. Then you just get what's in the box. You know what all comes in the box. The bottom here, you just get one place for all the ways we could play. Got my knife here, so we get a nice little cut on here. This is my first time unboxing this thing, so this knife ain't like the biggest here. So I'm gonna get unboxing this. This is just my unboxing, the first, pretty much impression, like what I feel about it, like what I like about the controller and everything else, because I'm pretty sure it comes with a controller because it said I got the blue version. And yes, it do. This is controller. This controller reminds me as like a mixture of PlayStation and Xbox, with the controller. But you can see the material. Let me see if I can get this to cooperate with me. USB Type-C, you got your R2 and R1 buttons here. Let's see what we got in the back. We just got probably some literature there. This literally feels like playing the Xbox or something like that. So we're gonna get that out here. Got a bunch of cables, USB Type-C right here. To B. Now, one thing I wanted to explain to everybody. Microsoft, when y'all come out with your new cord, come out something this big, because y'all already do, but this is actually look like a decent sized cord. You got your power brick. I'm pretty sure it's to A to there. So pull the literature out, pull that to the side, open this up. We'll see what all we get in it. Let me make sure no codes or anything else, but it just basically have some literature right here. This is what they give you. We promise to create one place for all plays, always to play. It's a long held dream. Today, we're proud to see the dream become a reality. A community of players is in the score of Stadia. Thank you for being the first grandfather around. Team Stadia. So whoever got the Founder Edition, I know y'all probably seen a couple unboxing videos on it, but this is me just basically just giving an unboxing and just seeing how this is, this first time. I actually got into this because I wanted to get more into depth with this, because I feel like something like this would be like pretty awesome. And you just get the literature here with the adapters, what all comes in a box, plug, USB Type-C. So there's gonna be games to be playing. So I don't want to see how it plays on all my consoles. So you could just actually just pick where you want to play. Use your Wi-Fi connection. You can use any kind of connection there. So that's one of the big ups on there. One of the things I want to see. I got some stickers. So yeah, I'm gonna put that everywhere. I got a PC I'm gonna be building, so I'm gonna be probably putting those stickers there. You get it's a nice little USB, Type-C adapter. One thing I do like about this, though, it do come with a Ethernet port part right in here. Excuse me, got a little cold going on. So that adapter there. I'm gonna get the wattage for you guys. Sorry about the blurriness. I'm just trying to get this thing to focus. All right, there we go. So y'all can get to see the wattage of this thing here. So it comes with the. Is that a regular just USB port? Yes, it is. Now it comes with this here. This is your console. This is what you're gonna be streaming and playing your games off right here. And you hook that up. Just all like a like a Chromecast. You know what I mean? Pretty much there. And so I guess this is where you're gonna hook up the button. To play the game. And that's one thing cool that you have the Ethernet button there. Ethernet. So it's pretty much nothing in here under this thing. So that's all it comes with. This here. So that's all it comes with. Then you also could get into the game. And you could buy the games. Excuse me. You could buy the games and just play right off of this here. I'm gonna try this 2K and see how I like it. This offer ends on the 3rd, so I'm gonna be purchasing this game. I'm playing it, but when you get into the app, you pretty much go into the app and you just, you can stream your game. I'm definitely got Destiny downloaded. You can explore other games, other things, and features and stuff like that. Give feedback, see all content. See if we can get more games to come out. Maybe you could check the connection. Just do a quick check connection real quick. My connection for my computer, for the internet that I'm using right now. Sorry about that, guys. I'm just, a little sick today, so content. So it looks like I have some good streaming on there right now to do high performance. But that's one of the things you could do on Stadia. Basically, there's some more games going to be coming. You could browse through. The store have a good decent amount of games right now which you could play. This is what I currently got in right now, but I could download these other games too and get in action with it. But that's one of the things I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get in this game. Tell me, you guys, what you think about the Stadia, about what Google performed right here. Do you think it's worth it? The price of it is really, really cheap. It's actually, this one was only $130 for the Founder Edition. Then you could get the other one. It's like $120. I think the price that they have it is pretty, really good, reasonable price for especially a console to starting off with. I'm gonna give it a try. I know a lot of people say they got a lot of lag time and everything else, but that might be just happening because their internet is pretty much garbage. I think you should hardwire it in to see what it's like, just playing it. But guys, you're gonna be seeing another video. I'm just doing this a quick unboxing, guys, to tell you, how I feel about it. What comes in the box in the Founder Edition. If you was one of the guys that just wanted to get in and get the Founder Edition. So leave a comment below. Let me know what your thoughts and comments. Do you want to see some gameplay? Leave a comment below. Hit the like button. We're almost at 1,000. We're trying to reach more, and there's more things I'm gonna be doing for you guys. And I did try to do a giveaway for you guys with the 2K20 giveaway, give out 3 games, but I didn't reach that goal. So that's one of the reasons why I didn't give out that giveaway. But I do have something special coming up. I am giving away this game again. And this time, just want you guys to follow the rules. Don't be DMing me every time saying who won. That right there is not going to get you an interest in winning. I just want you guys to understand, I'm trying to do this a fair way. That wasn't a fair way that one went. So I'm just going to basically just give this guy out, and this is not a gimmick. This is not anything. I'm just basically trying to show you guys that I'm a really tech guy, and I love to give back, and I love to want to do things for people. So thank you for watching. Leave a comment below. Let's talk about this game system and what y'all feel and what y'all want to see me play on this game, and I will go in here and purchase it and play it on there and show you real live me streaming this game and seeing the gameplay. So catch y'all guys in the next video, and have a blessed day and happy Thanksgiving.